Hi everyone. Today's video I'm going to show you how to flip the signs in a group of cells or a range of cells. But before I do that, go ahead down here to the right hand side, right hand corner, and click the subscribe button, and make sure you watch the rest of our videos after you watch this video. So let's go ahead and get started here. There's been times in my career where, and I don't know the exact situation, but I've always had to look this up every single time I come to this problem that I have. I have a range of cells that are negative, and I'd like to just reverse the cells that I have to be positive. I don't know what the exact situation normally is, but I know that it's happened to me, and I'm sure it's probably happened to you too, where you just want to flip the sign. And to do it, you could click in here in every single one of them, delete the negative sign, and go to the next one, delete the negative sign. Or you could just put in a formula here, multiply it by -1, and then use this column G instead of column E. But for whatever reason, that's not the easiest way to do it. I definitely have come across this in my career, so I just wanted to go over an easy way, and this is really short and simple, but it's just one of those things that you don't really know unless you know it. So what I'm gonna do is just put -1 in here in column G, and what we can do is use the paste special function or command to change these signs. So I'm gonna select, actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click on this and click copy. So once I have it copied, then I can select the range of cells that I want to flip the sign on, and got a couple NAs in there, but it's okay. So select the range of cells and go here and click on paste special. That's going to open up this dialog box here. So once we do that, we are going to click on this little multiply button right here. And what that's going to do is it's going to multiply everything that we've selected by -1. Go ahead and click OK. And now you can see that they're all positive. So like I said, it's just one of those things. I've come across it, and it's just always something I have to look up. So I'm hoping this was helpful for you. And we'll see y'all next time.